Hello, one of my favourite vegetables in season at the moment, purple sprouting broccoli. So I'm going to show you my favourite way to prepare it, and it's really simple. So I'm getting it in a roasting pan, and what I'm going to add to it is some red chillies that I'm just going to slice. To that, I've got some garlic. I'm going to peel a few cloves and thinly slice those and add them in. I've got a lime that I'm going to zest over the broccoli, and I'm going to keep the rest of the lime for later on. Bit of sea salt in there, some freshly ground black pepper, and then I'm going to toss it all with some rapeseed oil. You can use olive oil, but I think this has a lovely flavour and it's British. So I'm going to toss that all together. Then it's going to go into a hot oven for about 10 minutes. Now, one of my guilty pleasure dinners is beans on toast. But you know what works just as well? Broccoli on toast. So this is my seeded loaf. I made some more, same as I made last week. So I'm going to toast a couple of bits of this. Whilst that's all cooking, I've got some coriander, and I'm just going to pick some leaves off it. And that lime we saved, I'm just going to cut it into wedges. Oh, that's looking good. So now what we're going to do, rip our coriander into here, squeeze over our lime juice, and get it all tossed together. Then it should just go on top of our buttered toast. There we go. Such a simple dish. Chilli and garlic broccoli with lime and coriander on some buttered seeded toast. Maybe not quite beans on toast, but still delicious. So fresh and lovely. I'm going to go enjoy the rest.